Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to show you the simple installation process of a 1022 bolt buffer. These are the Precision Print Labs version of that. They're stainless steel coated in a polymer rubber buffer. And what these do is these go into the back of the housing of the firearm, and they provide a little bit of padding, a little soft landing, if you will, to the bolt as it reciprocates back and forth. A lot of times this firearm is suppressed or subsonic ammo is used, and the only thing that you can really hear is the metal clang back and forth. So we're going to show you how to get rid of that. We already have the trigger assembly out. Just for demonstration purposes, we will show you how simple this goes in there. And so you can see this right here. You just remove pin 1 and pin 2, and that is after you remove it from the stock itself with the one bolt here. Some people have a barrel band up top. You just remove that too. My stock does not. So we get the trigger guard out. That leaves us with the upper receiver like so. And so where the buffer is going to go is right in this hole here. So here we have a bolt buffer. It helps if you have a little bit of oil. Just sort of lube it up a little bit. And then you're going to want to go in this hole right here. Come in from the other side. Make sure it's lined up properly. And push it flush like so. So we have a nice fit on that side. We have a nice fit on that side. Nice and squared up. And now, when we put this trigger guard back into the firearm, when the bolt goes back and forth, it is now going to bump against that soft rubber instead of the metal. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I'll include a link below to this product. Have a great day.